Hello, my dear children. Welcome back to our maths class. In the last class, we have discussed factor theorem and some related problems, isn't it? Today, we are going to discuss factorization of polynomials. Okay, actually, we have to learn factorization of quadratic polynomial and cubic polynomial. Okay, in this class, we are going to learn factorization of quadratic polynomials. Okay, then what do you mean by factorization? For example, 6. 6 is a number. Which are the factors of 6? 1, 2, and 3. Isn't it? So we can express 6 as the product of its factors. 2 into 3. Then 12. Which are the factors? So what are the factors of 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6. Okay. We can express or we can factorize 12 as the product of its factors like 2 into 6, 12. Then 3 into 4. Okay. 1 into 12. Okay. Like that. Okay. This is factorization. Okay. Same way, we have to factorize. Okay. We can factorize polynomials also. Okay. Today we are going to discuss factorization of quadratic polynomials. Okay. Let's learn how to factorize a quadratic polynomial. Okay. Then all of you listen here. What is the standard form of a quadratic polynomial? See, ax plus x square plus bx plus c. A, b and c are real numbers. Okay. X square plus bx plus c is a quadratic polynomial. Okay, quadratic means degree 2. Clear? Then we need to factorize this quadratic polynomial as the product of its factors. Okay, its factors. Okay, like see, sub x square plus bx plus c. Bx plus q rx. See, this is a quadratic polynomial. Then we can factorize this quadratic polynomial as the product of its factors. Okay, px plus q and rx plus s are factors of this quadratic polynomial. Okay, see, let's check the degree of factors. See, px plus q, it's also a polynomial. What is the degree of this polynomial? Yes, first degree. Linear polynomials. Okay, so when we factorize a quadratic polynomial, that means what? Factorization means what? Express this factorization means express this quadratic polynomial into as the product of its linear factors. Okay, when we factorize a quadratic polynomial, we will get the factors like what? Linear factors. Okay, this polynomial's degree is 2. When we factorize, we will get the degree of factors as 1, linear factors. Clear? If a cubic polynomial, we are going to, we have to factorize a cubic polynomial, we will get 3 linear polynomials. For a cubic polynomial, we will get 3 factors, 3 linear factors. Clear? So let's check this factorization of quadratic polynomial using examples. So you will quickly understand it. Okay. Okay, dear children. So let's discuss one problem. Okay, factorization of quadratic polynomials. See, for factorization of quadratic polynomials, 2 methods are there. First one is splitting middle term method, and second one is using factor theorem. Okay, today we are going to discuss splitting middle term method. Clear? So, splitting middle term method. Okay, let's discuss this factorization using one example. Okay, factorize 12x square minus 7x plus 1. Okay, we are going to factorize this quadratic polynomial using splitting middle term method. Clear? See, 12x square minus 7x plus 1. And what is a here? A is equal to, A means coefficient of x square, 12. B is equal to what? Coefficient of x, minus 7. All of you please listen here, is very important. 12 means coefficient of x square. Okay. B is equal to coefficient of x. Okay. The term which multiplied by x, that is minus 7. C is equal to constant 1. Okay. Then what is AC? A into C. 12 into 1, that is 12. Okay. Now let's take factors of 12. Okay. 12 means what? 1 into 12, 1 12, 2 6, 3 4 and 5 6, finished. Okay, only these are the factors of 1 into 12, 12, 2 into 6, 12, 3 into 4, 12. Okay, we need two numbers, okay, P and Q, in which P plus Q and PQ, we need PQ. Okay, PQ means we need two numbers in which when we multiply that two numbers, we should get this 12. PQ 12 and P plus Q. See, 12x square minus 7x plus 1. What is the middle term of this quadratic equation? 7x or minus 7x. Middle term is minus 7x. We are going to split this. What is the name of this method? Splitting middle term. Okay. So 12x square minus 7x plus 1. So here middle term is minus 7x. We are going to split this minus 7x. Okay. So minus 7. So our P plus Q, we should get minus 7. That means B. Minus 7. Okay, we need two numbers P and Q, in which P plus Q, we should get minus 7 and PQ 12. Okay, 12 means A into C, P plus Q means middle term of this quadratic equation, minus 7. Okay, let's check. We can select it. We have to select this PQ using these factors of 12. See, if P is 1 and Q is 12, P plus Q means 13. So this we cannot take. Okay. See, if 2 P and 6 Q, P plus Q 8. So this also we cannot take. P plus Q, we should get 7 or 7. Okay. 7. Then we can adjust. Minus sign we can adjust. See, 3. If P is 3 and Q is 4, P plus Q 7. So we can select these two factors of 12. Okay. So 3 and 4 we can select. Then how to get minus 7? And P into Q also 12. 3 into 4. Okay. So P plus Q, we should get minus 7. How to get minus 7? Actually 3 plus 4 is what? 3 plus 4 is 7. But we need minus 7. And PQ is 3 into 4, that is 12. It's okay. It's okay. But here, how to adjust minus 7? 3 plus 4, 7. But we need minus 7. So, minus 3. Okay, minus 3 plus minus 4. So, minus 3 plus minus 4 is equal to minus 7. And minus 3 into minus 4, 12. Clear? So, our P is minus 3 and Q is minus 4. So, we selected P and Q. By using these two numbers, we have to split this middle term. Okay. So, dear children, next step we have to factorize this number. Okay. 12x square minus 7x plus 1 is equal to, okay, split this term minus 7x. Okay, 12x square minus 7x. P is minus 3, Q is minus 4. So, plus, actually minus 7 is minus 3 plus minus 4. Okay, of x. Minus, this is minus 7. This is minus 7, minus 7x. Clear? Plus 1. Clear? Next, which implies 12x square minus 3 into x minus 3x minus 4x minus 3 into x minus 3x minus 4 into x minus 4x plus 1. Clear? Which implies consider these two and these two. Okay, when we consider these two terms, which are the what terms we should take outside? 3x square, 12x square, 3x. So 3x we can take outside as common. Okay, 3x. What remains here? 4x. 3x into 4x, 12x square. Clear? Minus here 1. 3x we took outside. So 3x into 4x, 12x square. 3x into minus 1, minus 3x. Okay, here minus, here no common factors other than 1. So take 1 as common, then what remains here? 4x minus 1. Let's check. Okay, if you have any doubts, you can check. Minus 1 into 4x minus 4x minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. Okay. See, when we consider these two terms, 4x minus 1 is common. So let's take it outside. 4x minus 1 outside. Then what remains in this term? 3x. And here minus 1 only. 4x minus 1 we took outside as common factor. Here 3x, here minus 1. Okay, so actually this. So 12x square minus 7x plus 1 is equal to, this is a quadratic polynomial, and we got 4x minus 1 into, okay, see, so 12x square minus 7x plus 1 is a quadratic polynomial, and we factorize this quadratic polynomial into as the product of its linear factors. Linear means degree 1. See, 4x minus 1, degree 1. Here also 3x minus 1, degree 1. Clear? This is the method how to factorize a quadratic polynomial using splitting middle term method. Clear? I will explain one more time. Our question was 12x square minus 7x plus 1. Okay, we need to factorize this quadratic polynomial using splitting middle term method. Then what is the middle term of this quadratic polynomial? Minus 7x. Okay, minus 7x. So, here a is equal to 12, b is equal to minus 7, c is equal to 1. Okay, then AC is 12, and we took the factors of 12 as 2, 6, 3, 4, like that. Okay, and we have selected 3 and 4 factors, 3 and 4. When we multiply 3 into 4, we will get 12, and when we add 3, 7, we will get 7, and we just change the sign according to our convenience. Okay, so we took P minus 3 and Q minus 4. Okay, and we split using that two numbers P and Q, we split this middle term minus 7x as 12x square plus minus 3 plus minus 4. Actually minus 3 plus minus 4 minus 7. Okay, minus 7, this is minus 7 x plus 1. Only the change is we split this middle term minus 7. Okay, then 12x square minus 3 into x minus 3x minus 4 into x minus 4x plus 1. Okay, next step, consider first two terms and last two terms. From these two terms, we can take 3x outside. Okay, 3x into 4x is 12x square. So when we take 3x outside, here 4x. Okay, here when we take outside 3x, here only minus 1. So this term finished. Then minus here only 1 is common. So 1 take outside and write 4x minus 1. How did we get here minus? Yes, when we multiply this, okay, minus 1 into 4x minus 4x minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. Okay, if you have any doubts in sign, just multiply. Okay, when we multiply here, we should get the correct answer here also. Okay, then when we look at here in this step, 4x minus 1 is common in both two terms. So take it outside. 4x minus 1. And then what remains here? 4x minus 1 we took outside. Then here only 3x minus 1 here. So 12x square minus 7x plus 1 is equal to, we got 4x minus 1 into 3x minus 1. That means we factorize this quadratic polynomial into as product of two linear polynomials. Okay, when we factorize a quadratic polynomial, we will get two linear factors. When we factorize a cubic polynomial, we will get three linear factors. Okay,